I recently received this smart video doorbell. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up. I will also be showing you the installation process. It is so simple to install this doorbell, but first and foremost, I'm going to go over the features that are included when you receive your doorbell. So it does have a face recognition, extra long standby, and video calls. Also, I will be showing you a charger is included. It is type C, the way that you charge this camera. It does have a large wide angle. It has face demolition alarm and infrared night vision. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you what the camera looks like and everything that is included in your package. Okay, so very simple. You will get your camera. Here it is, the doorbell. It does come nicely sealed. So of course, remove that after installation. It does have the doorbell right there. So whenever they're here, they're just gonna go ahead and ring it. As you could see, also a chime is included. This you will actually connect to your wall outlet, and this will be the doorbell that will sound off once your doorbell is rung. As you can see, I pressed it, but this will just place it in your home wherever it is that is nearest to you, so you could go ahead and hear whenever someone rings your doorbell. As you can see here, it does have the camera up top, and then back here it does have the 4 holes for simple installation. And then at the bottom here, this is where the noise comes through, and then this is the where you will charge your camera. And then also another thing that is included is your screw. So you could go simply install your camera to your doorbell, and then you also receive the charger that comes along with it. So that's really cool that that is included. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how simple it is and how the camera looks once it's installed. I'm going to give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like during the day with light and also the night vision. As you can see, it's pretty clear. You could clearly see someone walking up to your doorbell and ringing it. Definitely would recommend.